Okay. And then, can you see me?
No, but I can hear you. Just
see me or telephone? Okay. Can you see me now?
Yeah.
Alright. And then, so we got a cupcake, and his mom's like, have a cupcake and come back soon. So I was like, alright, I'll definitely be back soon. I love you like mom. Blah, blah. Okay. And then we walked back to his car, and then before he got inside, he opened the door for me. He's like, and I was like, okay. And then, so he was like, I was like, okay, and we started hugging up like against the car, like hardcore. It was like a movie. Like hardcore gets shot, like boom. Like if this is a car, it'd be like boom. and then so I was like, okay, I'm hooking up against the car. It's pretty cool. And then went in the car, and I didn't know if I should hold his hand. So I was like, oh, what do I do? Do I hold his hand or not? And then he decided to do the choice. So he was just like, hold my hand, and we held hands. He didn't really tell me to hold his hand. He was just like, hold my hand. And then as the night goes on, we were walking down the street, and I was like, can I drive your car? And he was like, no. And I was like, but I'm not a good driver. I have my permit, but I just lied because I really don't have a permit because I'm only 15. But I will have my permit soon. And I drove my mom's car to the driver once. So I was like, please have my permit. He's like, you don't have your permit. You told me about this. And I was like, I know, but it's in my soul. I got my permit. Like I got no comment in my soul. So he was like, all right. And then he was like, nah. It's like, nah. And I was like, what? And then
oh my god. Sean, no, Sean, let her go on, please.
Hold on, can I see that? Are you going to show Paul? TJ, can I see the fire?
Oh my god.
Okay, then I guess it's back in the room. What? It's in this one. What happened to sleepover on that?
CJ, please give her the fire. Please, CJ, please.
I don't trust you with fire. What are you going to do with
CJ, please.
You taking a video of this whole thing?
Yeah, you can't even see it, but I want to listen to it.
Anyway.
You're so gay.
And then we passed the pet shop where I got my cat. And I was like, oh my gosh, I got my cat there. And they're like, are you serious? I was like, no, I'm lying. Because I was really lying because I just lied to you guys. I'm really sorry, I didn't mean to lie. And then, so we were going home, and then I saw someone ride on the bike path. So I was like, stop! And they stopped, but then I was like, just kidding. And then it kept going. And then, because I thought it was one of my friends, even though. And then,
Colleen, keep going.
Okay, and then we were in my driveway, and my driveway's kind of like U-shaped, so I was like, alright, whatever. And my driveway is U-shaped because I drove by my mom's car.